Well, I accidentally pushed stop, grabbing my phone. Here's the next spot. Under here. But see, I went up there and put those in place first. That way I don't have to fiddle around with them, trying to put them in there afterwards. I got the 2 bolts and gasket right there. Ratchet and the next part right there. I shove that gasket up in there and put this piece on right there. And I'll move on to the next one. And here's the next part after that. More gaskets. And this is what I was talking about, using that, removing that rubber garment off of here. And placing it right there. And there's that. I'll go hook this side up, and then I'll connect this side right here. And everything will start lining up, and I'll go back, get the resonator, and I'll put that on behind the wheel. Then the muffler's next, and I'll go back and tighten everything up. And that part is kind of a pain when you're working by yourself, because you have to hold this into place, put those nuts and bolts in there. But you gotta try to put that bolt on one-handed while it's keeps sliding out of place. I just kind of twisted and turned this and held that nut in place while I put the bolt on. But this next part will be easier because I got that rubber garment to go put up there to hold on. Then I'll connect it right here. See, now that I got that into place, I'm just pull this up into right here. Now hold that other end up while I put this in. I don't have to worry about holding the other side up because it's held up by that rubber garment. Let me push pause while I do that. See right there, the same thing. I put those nuts in there first. And I pick this up, line it up there, and put these bolts in. It'll be a little easier because the other side is hanging. Let me push pause while I do that. Alright, now I got this piece on. Tightened down by hand only. Come around here, see that's where it's held up by that rubber garment again. Right here, I'll go get the resonator, which is going to go right here, and another rubber garment up there that's going to hold it in place. Then I'll get the muffler too, and that's it. And there's that other rubber garment that's going to go in there to hold that one up, the resonator. And then there's one more rubber garment in the back that's going to hold up the muffler. Alright, got it all installed now. There's the old one. Here's the new one. I just got it all installed. I just still got to go through and tighten everything up. Because I had to get everything in place first. Then tighten it up so it gives a little wiggle room to move around. It's nice fitting up in here. It's not too big. I left a little room up there. I don't have to worry about my bumper cover bending, so that's it. I'm gonna push pause, tighten it up, and give her a start. And for doing this part right here, underneath this part right over here, underneath this, you're gonna need one of these swivel tops. And that's what I fucking cut my finger on. I'm trying to take the fucking thing they put in there to plug this part right here to hang it up. I was trying to take that out and cut my finger. But that's what I bought this for, is to use this part down here. Let me show you. So right there, it's easier access with the swivel tip. And I got the wrench right there to help tighten it up. And tighten it back up, it's all 14 millimeters. You don't gotta switch up in between and stuff. But I think my phone's dying too. This is probably the last of the video, but tighten this. Tighten that down there by the cat. And that's it, because my phone just started fading and it's most likely going to die. So I'm just going to put a stop right now.